Imagine a land where whispers of pharaohs echo through ancient temples and the sands of time reveal forgotten secrets. Hi, I'm Abhi and welcome to World to Digitally with Dear Challengers. Today I embark on a captivating journey through the sands of time with the Nile River in North Africa. Egypt boasts a rich tapestry of history, culture, and awe-inspiring landscapes. From the fertile Nile Delta to the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert, its diverse geography has cradled mighty civilizations for millennia. Egypt, with a population exceeding 100 million, is a vibrant nation where the ancient and modern worlds collide. Arabic reigns supreme, but echoes of the pharaohs resonate in hieroglyphs adorning ancient monuments. From the whirling skirts of the Nora dancers to the haunting melodies of the Ney flute, Egyptian traditions are deeply rooted in a heritage stretching back thousands of years. Islam shapes societal norms, interwoven with the rich tapestry of Egypt's past. Cairo, the bustling capital, throbs with frenetic energy, while Luxor, the ancient city of Thebes, whispers tales of pharaohs and forgotten gods. The iconic pyramids of Giza, sentinels of time, stand as testaments to human ingenuity and a bygone era. The vibrant colors of the national flag, red, white, and black, represent the revolution, the republic, and the fertile black soil along the Nile. Egypt boasts a rich economy, with tourism a cornerstone alongside a thriving agricultural sector nurtured by the life-giving Nile. The scorching desert sun yields way to a temperate climate along the Nile Valley, creating a mosaic of microclimates. The mighty Nile, the world's longest river, snakes its way through the heart of Egypt, a vital artery sustaining life and civilization. Pharaonic dynasties, Roman rule, and the rise of Islam mark a timeline etched in magnificent monuments. From the enigmatic Sphinx to the Valley of the Kings, Egypt's history is a captivating saga of power, innovation, and resilience. Today, a republic with a rich political landscape, Egypt continues to navigate its path towards a brighter future. Investment in infrastructure, including the expansion of the Suez Canal, reflects Egypt's commitment to progress. Initiatives in education and sustainable development aim to propel the nation forward. From the underwater wonders of the Red Sea to the towering sand dunes of the wide desert, Egypt offers an adventurous paradise. Bustling bazaars overflow with treasures, while ancient temples stand as silent witnesses to bygone eras. Egypt plays a pivotal role on the global stage, fostering cultural exchange and trade relations across the world. The world reveres its literary giants like Naguib Mahfouz, marvels at the breathtaking discoveries in ancient tombs, and is captivated by the rhythmic beats of Egyptian music. As we conclude our journey through Egypt, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this land of mystery, wonder, and timeless beauty. Join us next time as we continue to uncover the wonders of our world. Thank you for watching Egypt Uncovered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, stay curious about Democratic Republic of the Congo.